Salutations. Before we start, make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment. I made a video about the binary packages on Gentoo. I mentioned some that can be found in the binary form and some others that cannot. Some of the ones that cannot be found in the binary form are kind of big or are really big and require a lot of time. If I want to see how long it took to compile some of them, I can run this command gentop llvm, for example, or genlop, not gentop. Yeah, it needs to be run in the root privileges. So, for example, for LLVM, it took me between 1 hour to 58 minutes. It's roughly 1 hour. The minimum time is maybe 50 minutes, and the maximum time is 1 hour and 9 minutes. This is for LLVM 14. Alright, and I forgot to tell in the previous video about the command that may show all the possible or all the available binary packages in the repositories. Just run the command. We have here many packages that we can see. So it's by running this command EIX. EIX, you can find the way for installing it in the cards. Alright, so I thought of making a video about an installation of Gentoo, the old one, that still doesn't have the binary package compatibility. I turned it on my virtual machine since I want to keep my hardware installation of Gentoo the way it is. Alright, you can read about the benefits or the advantages, and then first you need to go to this file with your favorite text editor and add the lines that I'm gonna show you. Doesn't exist. Okay, we need to make this folder first. And then we run the command to make this file. Alright, this thing is for UK mirror or China mirror. So this says that it's better to use a local Gentoo mirror, but for the demonstration purpose I'm not gonna look for here it says that the stage 3, the new one, comes with suitable bin repos.conf configuration. So during the installation we may do it one day. You can have the binary packages ready to be installed. So for the demonstration purpose I'm not gonna focus on finding the best mirror to me. For you yourself you need to find how. It's not mentioned here, so I'll just copy this. Of course you need to read the wiki very well to know what you need to do exactly. Maybe you face some errors or problems. And then you go to this file, which is the usual plain make.conf, usual or plain, this one. Scroll down. If you have features, you add this. I don't know if you need to add this one or not. You can do it just in case. For me, I will add this whole line since I don't have the features line in my make.conf file. Save and exit, and then for troubleshooting you run this command. Alright, to install any binary package you run this command like this. Sudo emerge, ask and verbose are optional, and you need to add this flag which is get bin pkg or package. And LLVM, for example, LLVM is a very big package, so it's better for you to consider running or installing it from a binary package instead of the source code or compiling it. Wait for it some time. I didn't run the command merge sync for a long time. It can cause me some errors. Let's see. I paused the video, as you can see, and because I didn't run a merge sync for a long period of time, I ran it before I come back here. I don't know if there is anything. I don't know if when I run it for LLVM like this, it takes longer than it's expected. So let me find. I tried. This is my hardware installation for Gentoo. I just need to take the category of LLVM so I can simply go and install it using the binary package. It complains here about the bin repos folder. In this machine I did not configure it, so never mind it. Just focus on this machine, like this. It also told during the merge sync running, it told that a new version of Portage is available. I may need to pause the video again to make things better. Alright, I paused the video again because I believed, or I thought that I may need to update Portage after I got a notification of the availability of its new version. So let's try again. This is for LLVM and this is the long form. Here it says that you can run it with the short form, which is -avg. So if you aren't a big fan of having the full flags in your command, just use the small or the letters like this. Let's try again like this. So it's looking for LLVM, and this is for the GPG keys, the security stuff. Since it was asked, the Gentoo team told in the frequently asked questions that for the security and the keys, they are also available for the binary packages. Alright, so it's taken some of the keys. I don't know, we may need to run this command in case we faced some errors. This one. For you, you may consider running it. For me, I will see if I need to. This is very similar to Arch Linux key stuff. It looks very similar to this, if you remember it. When you run init command and populate, there are some similarities with this. I had to run the commands merge sync, and so this may be the binary version of LLVM. I will press Y. It's taken it from this mirror. Remember, the wiki recommends that you use a local mirror, and there is a full guide to make your own binary packages, let's say on a stronger computer, to be distributed to the other computers. I'm gonna pause the video, and once the installation starts, this is still downloading step. Once the installation starts, I'll come back to you. Alright, so the download is almost done. We can see many signs that this is a binary package. One of them is emergent binary. The color here is different. It used to be somehow, it used to be something like this, green. Now it's purple. And now you can see that it's doing the installation just like it does the installation of any binary package on any other distribution. It's gonna be very fast, as you can see, just copying the files that were extracted from the package to their location. Instead of spending as much time as when it's compiled, it's gonna be very fast as this. This is per package. You can do it to install any package you want and speed up the process. You can do a whole system update by adding a new flag, which is get bin pkg, or the shorthand with which is G, and it's gonna make your system update using only the binary packages. We can try with this one. For you can use also this one. They are exactly the same. Let's take it, copy it and paste it to the terminal like this. Run it as sudo, since I'm just using a plain user, not with the root privileges. Let's wait some time for it. It's gonna give me a very big list of applications to update, since I did not run a merge sync for a long time. Therefore, I did not update the system for a long period of time. It also updated portage, which was out of date because this machine I didn't use it for a long period of time. For you, if your system is up to date, you may not need, you may not have a lot of packages to update. So yes, so you can read very well what's happening. It's gonna download 1 gigabyte, and as long as they are purple, it means they are the binary packages. If they are green, it means they aren't the binary packages. Read very well the frequently asked questions here before asking for help, in case you faced any problems or errors, because this may be something new for you, just like me, it's something new for me. And yeah, so we may be able to install Gentoo using this method. It's gonna be very fast. We may do it in a future video. For now, I guess that's it for this video. You can update the system by pressing Y if you specified A in the update command. Otherwise, it's gonna update automatically. You can ignore this confirmation message by not specifying A. I guess that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and cheers.